Hi friends, today we are going to learn the how to create the account in the GitHub and how to create the remote repository and how to push our code, local repository code into the remote repository. Today we are going to learn these three things. Before going to learn these three things, we are going to once again revise the previous concepts like how to add the files into the repository and how to delete the files from the repository. First, I am going to the my repository cd web application and git crash course. Here I have done, but I'm going to create the one new directory, make dir git crash course 2. I'm going to create this directory cd git crash course 2. I'm switching to the git crash course 2. cls, open the VS code here. I'm directly working with the addition and removing the files. First, I'm going to add here index.js. Here I'm going to add the one file called is number. Writing here I'm passing here one number. Here I'm returning the number or type of number equal to number. If that it is the type of the num equal to this, it will gives the true. Otherwise, it will give the false. I'm writing this function. Go to the terminal. I'm increasing the terminal size. Okay. Here git status. We see fatal. Not a git repository. It is a not git repository. If you want to make it repository, git init -b main. I'm directly I'm directly converting this into the initializing with the default as the main. That's why I have given -b main. It is converted to the main. If you see this status on file on the branch main, no commits yet, but untracked file is index.js. If you want to convert into the staging untracked file into the staging area, git add index.js or you can give the dot also. If you see status once again, see new file is there index.js. If you commit this one, git commit -b is num function. If you see status once again, no on branch main, no nothing to commit, working tree is clean. If you see cls git log, there is a command called is log is num like commit called is num fn is num is there. If you want to create two more files, I'm going to create here crates crates.env. Make it as crate.env. I'm here writing the username Chakravarti, email hotmail.com or yahoo.com. You can give anything. Password star. I'm giving. If you come to if you come to here, git status untracked file. One untracked file is there. One untracked file is this grids.env. If you want to make it tracked or convert into the staging area, make it available into the staging area, git add grids grids.env. Git add grids.env. If you see status, it is converted to the green color. That new file is came into the staging area. If you make it commit, if you try to commit, git commit -m secrets added, secrets added. Git status, status is working directory clean, working tree is clean. If you check that git log, or if you come to the git log once again, see secrets added. That topmost is secrets is added. If you want to remove that file, remove that secrets file, we can remove directly here using the delete here. Delete the file, it is deleted. If you come to the terminal, if you check the here status, I have removed and check here. If you want to commit it, like add and commit, you can add and commit, or directly use the git commit hyphen m and give the message. It will take a one commit, but I don't want to commit like this. I'm restoring this file again. Restoring means this file will come. Which file I'm going to restore? Git credits.env. I'm going to restore this file. Once come to the VS Code, this file is there. If you check the git status, not on the branch main, nothing to commit, working tree is clean. We are going to remove from the git, from the commits, from the reverse process. We are going to remove git rm hyphen catched file name credits.env. That rm, it is removed from the git repository, local git repository. If you check the git status, and it is come to the untracked file, and this restore hyphen stage is to unstage this. If we are going to use the this to make it unstage, you are going to use this command like git restore hyphen staged and file name, or you can delete this. If you delete this, it will delete, and we can commit the new commit. We can make it as a new commit. If you use restore hyphen staged creates .env. If you see this git status, on branch may nothing to commit. If you see this logs, sorry, git log. If you see the log, secrets added, again comes to the previous page. See, if you want to delete, git rm catched git rm catched file name creates.env. That file is removed. If you see the status, file is untracked. If you remove this file and see the git status. I have removed that file and see the git status. File is deleted, like deleted, and git commit -m secrets deleted. If you add this commit, if you see the log, if you see the first status, working tree clean, and git log secrets deleted. Here I have added, but here in the next commit I have deleted. If you see the VS Code, there's no credits.txt file is there. Then I'm going to create the, after this, first I'm going to create the account in the GitHub. Come to the github.com. I'm going to create the new account. Sign out from this. Sign out. First sign in. I'm going to create the sign in. Sign out. I'm going to create the new account here. Here enter your email address. I'm going to create the new, create a password. Password may be compromised. Okay, password is strong. Okay, create. Next, enter a username. I'm going to enter here username. Username I'm going to take. Okay, it's available. After this, you see the occasional products updates and announcements. Okay, continue. Verify email. Okay, one done. Create a account. Okay, I'm going to verify my account. Code is not received. Okay, how many team members will be working with you? Just me. Are you student or teacher? Okay, what specific features are interested in using? Collaborative coding, automation and CAD, security, client apps, project management, team administration, community. Continue. Continue with free. Continue for free. Okay. My account is created. I'm going to create the one project here. I'm going to create a project, not like project only, but I'm going to create a one repository. Create here repository. Click on create here, or otherwise come on this here also. Click on new repository, or you can create a for first time it is showing that create repository. From second time onwards, you can click on this plus icon, or otherwise click on this plus icon. Create new repository. Click on this here. I'm going to create Git crash course. So, okay, description. This is a JavaScript JavaScript project. Let me make it I'm going to take it the public, but add a read file. I'm not going to take that. Okay, create a repository. Okay, repository is created. Here, two things are there: using the SSH and using the HTTPS. I'm going to first configure the. I'm going to push the code from uh, using the HTTPS. Then later and next session I'm going to show the how to push the code from using the SSH. Or otherwise I'm going to push the using the SSH also. Better to push the code using the HTTPS. Okay, come to the here and add the one more file here. Scripts script.js. Here add the one function called uh, addition num1 comma num2 return num1 plus num2. Okay. Next function subtraction num1 comma num2 return num1 minus num1 minus num2. Okay. After this completion git status, check the status first. Scripts file is added. It is in the untracked. Is in the untracked git add dot. It is in the staging area. In the staging area, git commit addition add and subtract functions. These functions I have added. Git status, check the status. Nothing to working tree is clean. Git log. See, add and subtract functions are added into the scripts. If you come to the how to push the code into the local repository to the remote repository, first we are going to I have committed the code into the local repository. If you see this git log, I have this four commits are there. In this, I'm going to commit to this into. I'm going to push this code into the remote repository here to here. First, already this is the main branch only. If you check this git status on main branch only. After this, we make it remote repository. Like add this repository into origin. Copy this and paste here. Okay, git remote add origin this repository URL. This repository URL. Click on the enter. It will add it. If you see this remote -v, git remote -v. See this. This one is added here. Git remote -v origin. Name is origin. It is the fetch and push. After this, we are going to pushing the our code into the repository. Git push -u origin main. Git push -u origin main. Branch is main. That's why I'm using the main. Origin. Origin means this thing. This thing is holding using the origin variable. This URL is holding using the origin. -u means upstream. Push is the command. If you click on the enter button, you will push it to the permission program denied to the check request URL 103. The requested URL returns error. Okay, why? Because of there is other repository I have connected. That's why it is not going to pushing into this repository. Okay, out of this sign out from this. I'm going to sign out and sign in. Okay, signing to the this. I'm signing to the new my previous repository. I'm clicking. I'm going to click on this. Click on the once again. I'm showing this. I'm going to click on the new repository. Git crash course 2. Okay, available. This is the JavaScript project. JavaScript project public directory. Create a repository. Okay, git add repository. Here I am using the ssh. I have already configured this ssh to uh, this repository, this remote repository. That's why I'm using here ssh. Copy this and paste here. Okay, and the remote already existed. Remote git remote -v. Okay, if you want to remove this, okay, you can git or you can make this as changer. Git origin 2. You can make it as you see this git remote -v. Okay, two things are there. Okay, if you want to push git push git push uh, git push -u origin to main. See, it is going to this directory. If you check, if you come to the this repository and refresh this repository, see code is available like index.html, index.html, and scripts.js. If you want to add the readme.file, you can add. I'm going to adding this here readme.md markdown here git and github the crash course. Okay, come to this directory git add first check the status. New file is added readme.md git add dot or you can use the git readme.md git commit hyphen m git commit hyphen m added readme.md this file git push git push origin to git push origin to main branch is trying to push in that file. If we come to the this, see it is pushing into this branch. It is pushing into this branch. See readme.py. You can go to the sign out from this account. I'm going to sign into the previous account. gmail.com. I'm signing into that account. This account comes to here and configure the SSH. Come to the settings. SSH here. Here I'm configure the mm, here I'm going to the ssh-keygen. I'm creating the hyphen o. I'm creating the one public and private keys using this. Okay, RSA. It is storing into the .sh. Okay, click on the enter. Uh, Empty for the no phrases. Click on the enter. Again, click on the enter. Okay, keys are created. Where the keys are created? You check here. TLS, TLS, CD dot SSH. Okay, here only. cat dot sh. Okay, it is not working here. To check, it is opening command prompt. I'm going to want PowerShell. Okay, open the PowerShell one more time. And a cd dot sh is small. Okay, make it big. Cat id id underscore. Okay, copy this one and paste here. Create a new key, new ssh key. Make it title Windows System SSH key. I'm giving here authentication only. Uh, okay, add a SSH key. Okay, I'm trying this. It will work or may not work. Okay, it is added. That key is added. Come to the dashboard and go to the GitHub Git crash course tool and a repository. Click on the SSH. Add this. Add this. Go to here. Not here. Complete here. Remove here. Okay. Okay. Already that is configured with origin. Make it. I'm taking it as origin 3. Okay. Origin 3 is added. Git remote hyphen git remote hyphen v. Okay. Origin 3 is there. Git push hyphen u origin 3 git push origin 3 main. Yeah, it is working, guys. See, I have configured using the ssh key. That's why it is working. Once go to the here. See that files are available. If you check the commits are there. Added the readme dot file. Last commit is the added the readme dot and added the sub and added subtraction functions in the scripts dot secrets are deleted. Before that secrets are added and first function is number function. If you come to the git crash course, the three files are there and this is the readme file. Git and git crash course. Like this, we are going to work with the GitHub account remote repository. We are going to push like this. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel uh, and support my channel.